My name is Vinod Vasudevan. I work for Flytxt. I run the business. I am the group CEO of Flytxt. Flytxt provides big data analytics solutions for telecom operators, and our solutions focus on deriving measurable economic impact for the operators through increased revenues, optimized margins, better customer experience, retention, loyalty, new business models, new revenue streams, etc. There are two dimensions along which we see trends. One of them is the need for operators, with all this increasing competition, maturing markets, the OTT phenomenon coming in, there's an increasing focus on customer experience, managing the customer and trying to make more out of the existing customer base. Or to put it the other way, the recognition that they are more marketing and service provider entities than infrastructure providers. And in that trend, we provide the operator a unique mechanism to address each one of their subscribers as an individual and not as a mass. So it's really promoting one-to-one or highly micro-segmented promotions, the micro-segmented way of dealing with the customers. Second part is, the industry has moved from acquisitions and into revenues, and is now moving from revenues into margins, and we navigate that trend with the operator. So if you look at the operator business, what is it? It comprises of subscribers, it has products and services, infrastructure and partners. And Flytxt is essentially navigating this space. We started our analytics with subscriber analytics, now we are into product analytics, we are moving into infrastructure analytics and into partner analytics. The solutions we provide, customer experience and revenue management is a solution we've been providing, we call it Neon, for the last 5 years now. In fact, today you see in the show a lot of people using the phrase customer experience and revenue management. We've been using it for the last 5 years. And in that solution, we started with revenues, then we moved into margins. Now we will move into cost and into customer experience as we progress in the roadmap. The second platform we provide is a new business model, a new revenue model for the operators, which is on mobile advertising. There we are starting with monetizing the operator's insights or the data the operator has and the insights that we derive from those data with rigorous guarantee for privacy. That's a unique distinguishing factor. We're starting monetizing that with advertisers, then going on to publishers, OTT players, and then we will get into brick and mortar, like the retail outlets and things like that. So this is one line of trend with respect to the telecom business. The second part is what is making the current timing right for big data in telecommunications. See, telcos always had the data. One is now the problems that big data can solve are becoming more important. The second is with the advent of infrastructure technology, there is the servers and storage, that confluence has happened today. Virtualization technologies, server technologies, the storage technologies, which make it possible for operators to do that. For instance, we are partnering with Intel in the middleware for big data, and that helps us create possibly what is the largest big data deployment across anywhere in the telecom world. These are the two trends. One is the enabling environment has really caught up with it, and second is the fact that there is the need has evolved to focus more on revenues, margins, customer experience rather than just the infrastructure part of it. And on a lighter vein, I think every CEO of an operator today gets asked questions by analysts as to what are you doing in big data, what is your big data strategy, and that's also helping us quite a bit. So there are two major announcements. One is an announcement together with one of our largest customers, the MTN group based out of Africa and the Middle East, where MTN has selected us to provide a real-time triggered customer engagement platform across their group. And the second is essentially this roadmap and what you can expect from Flytxt going forward, where we are covering from the subscriber to products to infrastructure to the partner analytics and the solutions that go from just revenue and into margins and then into customer experience and cost. A two-part answer to that. One is, see, today we deliver anywhere from 2% to 7% measurable economic benefit or incremental revenues for our customers. When I say measurable, we actually measure it every month on month, and get it signed off by the customer. That's our revenue model on an outcome-based model. We look forward to taking it up to 10% and more than that over the next couple of years. We're very confident of achieving that given our current portfolio of solutions and the evolution that we have planned for them. The second part of it is, we are today a geographic expansion growth, that's all part of it. I think the bigger phase when you talk about is the analytics today is doing about every data that passes through the operator's environment or the operator's infrastructure is what we analyze today, which is not really about operators' own services. If you are actually going and doing a mobile payment, or you are actually buying something from an eBay, that also passes through us. So exploiting this comprehensive analytics, going beyond what the operator subscriber is, but recognizing that you may be a Facebook user or an eBay subscriber user, and exploiting that into the analytics ecosystem is really part of our longer term plan. Longer term is beyond 2 years.